In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use SCREENCASTIFY. So first of all, we're going to go over to use Google Chrome. You're going to have to use Google Chrome. And we're going to go to just a search page. And in the search bar, we're just going to type in SCREENCASTIFY. And the first option should be SCREENCASTIFY. It says the #1 screen recorder for Chrome. I'm just going to click on that. You'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. It's free. Click there. And it should take you to the Chrome web store. Click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. And up here you'll see that it has been added. It says SCREENCASTIFY Screen Video Recorder has been added to Chrome. And so from there, you just click on there, and you got to sign in with Google. So I would recommend signing in with your school Google account. It says automatically save videos to Google Drive. Yeah, why not? Because it'll automatically back them up. If you forget to download it or you forget to do something, it's there in your Google Drive. Sign in with Google. Now we have to set some permissions, camera and microphone. Drawing and annotation tool, sure, why not? These are great tools to have. Click Next. Click Allow. Click Allow. So now it says, hooray, you're ready to start recording with SCREENCASTIFY. It's going to tell you some stuff. You can look at the overview video, how to make your first recording. But here's how we do it. So we're going to click on this little button up here, the little arrow button. It's the SCREENCASTIFY. And it's going to drop down a menu. And what are we recording? We're recording our desktop, because we're going to be using Microsoft Word to demonstrate how to do skills in Microsoft Word. We do not need to embed a webcam. You don't have a webcam on your computers in my classroom, but the microphone you do need to turn on. You should have the classroom set of microphone, headset and microphone plugged into the USB port. And you should be able to see, let's select. And it tells me this is my microphone, the MPAL HC, and that's fine. And you'll see the little green, when I'm talking, you'll see the green go up and down. That way you know that the microphone's working. And you may want to do just a little test video to make sure the sound is good. We have a 5-minute limit per video, so make sure you progress quickly in your video. You can also do 2 or 3 different videos. You can do one for each skill if you would like to. So record, and it's going to say, what do we want to record? Your entire screen or your application window? Either one. It's not a big deal. But let's pick our entire screen. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to click Share. And it's going to say, it counts down. You see that? It's at 3, 2, 1. And now it is recording. So now we'll start Microsoft Word, or pull up Microsoft Word, go to a new document, or whichever document you're going to use, and this will be where you explain how to do things. So the first 2 things you're going to do, you're going to explain how to apply alt text to a photo. So you'll need to demonstrate how to put a photo in, insert online photo or a picture from your computer, how to right click on it and get to the alt text area. You also need to show how to insert text. So on the Insert tab, the object drop down, text from file. Then the third topic is one of your choice. So you get to do whatever you want to show me how to do in Microsoft Word. And then when you are done, click Stop Recording or Stop Sharing. It'll come up with a little screen. It's kind of processing this video. you need to go up and you need to, well, let's skip the tour. Let's rename the video. And I want you to call it Microsoft Word Tutorial. So we can, we set it up to automatically download a copy to Google Drive. So these are your share options for that. But what we want to do, we want to download it. We want to export it as an MP4. So let's export as an MP4. Convert to fixed frame rate, sure. How many frame rates? 30 frames per second is fine. We can export. And down here in the bottom it says Microsoft Word Tutorial exporting MP4. And just give it a minute. And we got to go find it after it finishes. So processing complete. Your export is ready. Download MP4. So once it processes, you can download it. You need to download it. And then over here in the bottom, you'll see this. It should be in your downloads folder. So if we click show in folder, it should be in our downloads. Yeah, user David Clore downloads. So there it is. If we click on it, we'll bring it up. And there's your video.